at 7040 North Sheridan. Check this thing out. I don't know what it is, but we'll figure that out. No PI, just capacity 1250. All right, let's go big. So we'll take a quick ride on this. Holy shit. Single speed. Jeez, single speed indeed. Holy fuck. It is way above the floor. Look at that. Jesus, that's not good. Watch it start before the door's open, or the door's closed. Yeah, see? Jeez, that's a rough start. Holy fuck. Started. It starts before the doors are fully closed.